Hi, welcome to another sessions of careers in dentistry in non-clinical roles. We have been discussing the art in the last week, and this time we are discussing a very important topic, emerging topic, artificial intelligence that has captured the dream, the aspirations of many medical professionals. As an undergraduate, you have to have an idea, and let us dwell and into the topic without wasting much of the time. So, future proofing your medical career using AI, artificial intelligence, and how MBBS and BDS students can upskill their course certification during the course itself. The disclaimer: this video offers only general insights and perspectives on upskilling and career options for the Indian medical students and not a professional career advice. I always advise to prioritize your core academic curriculum, but on the safe side, always have an idea, insight, and basic preparation for your future too. Always consult with your parents, academic advisors, and verify all external course details, regulation, relevance to your career goals before making any decisions, especially with financial and time implications, and the decision such made are your sole responsibility. Introduction. To go with artificial intelligence, you have heard it a many number of times, literally every day. It is the buzzword of today. It is an essential knowledge and skill that you need to grow, cultivate, or earn for tomorrow's success. And even several Indian states has introduced coding and artificial intelligence at the school level, at the sixth standard levels, and at postgraduates and undergraduate levels in medicines. Probably you have missed the bus. So you have to stay on the top of this wave to survive. So, what are the 7 levels of AI as proposed by the specialist? No AI in your life, you are still doing all of your work manually, and anybody using smartphone is not, or rather in this group, those who are unawarely using AI, like in your phones or computers where you don't know that AI existed. Basic AI knowledge where you interact or use your chat GPT, Gemini, or any other simple generative artificial intelligence codes. And in-app AI such as Teams or Gemini, where the softwares are inbuilt into the Google. Grammarly is an excellent tool. Advanced prompt engineering, where you use all the in-app AI efficiently by using or leveraging the AI. Then workflow automations, where you go beyond the fourth level, where you program, trying to replace your own specific work and processes. Then you try to innovate and build business model out of it. That is AI driven innovation. Then you make the entire workforce. You become agents. You create agents to handle your workflows. Then you create a product. For clinicians, you need to have a lot of skills as in future. Sorry. You have to have a practical ability to know how AI works. You have to have some practical experience, because in 5 to 10 years from now, AI will be integrated into healthcare in many roles. So to be exposed now itself is an added advantage. So the practical ability is your basic skills, which you have to have it. Then proficient skills, meaning the skill necessary to use the tools, because then only you will be in the workforce of medicine when it is implemented. Next, expert skills. They are the policymakers or who design what to be the AI working for or doing for. They will be the top class management. So if you desire to be the expert in future of medicine tomorrow, you need to work to have at least basic and proficient skills of today and expert skills tomorrow. Mind you, mind-bogglingly, in 2 years' time, AI has captured many fronts, and to that extent that China, a couple of days back, opened its first AI integrated clinics with about 10,000 people or patients being catered daily, meaning at least 200 doctors replaced. It has permeated all aspects of medicines, clinical practice, academia, research, and allied ecosystem to such an extent that every other university is offering courses in artificial intelligence, especially as applied to clinics and medicine. The ad shows every university, a basic university, offering such courses. So, what should you do as an undergraduate student in medicine and dentistry to slow and steadily win the race? In the first year or first 2 years of your UG curriculum, you have to learn the basics of AI if you are interested in the programming and data. You have to learn the Python course, which is often beginners for free. It is free in Code Academy or Coursera, where you can spend or requires 2 to 3 hours per week. And by 3 months, in a decent way, you can complete the course, basic course. You can also be exposed to how this works in healthcare system. Deep learning AI is offered by Coursera. Then, if you are skilled enough, you can go directly to specialty. Such courses are also available for 3 months courses requiring 4 to 5 hours per week. Alternatively, you can join a medical communities network to know what is happening in this field. In the second phase, where you build skills, you choose certain areas where you are interested. Specialty wise, start acquiring skills in that. You can try even building simple models, trying to present that in conferences. Use Kaggle to do that. Use health records, clinical natural language processing. One step ahead beyond your Python and AI, you start to equip yourself with skills. Try to compete in hackathons so that you get noticed by the community. Then, at the phase third, where in the UG or the internship period, you create a portfolio of your skills. You can showcase in your medical conferences, working with your fellow students or your juniors or seniors, projecting your work in conferences, attracting the peers. Alternatively, you can do advanced courses also. Then, when you reach at the post UG level, you can need to choose whether to take this as a main career or not. This is a very important thing. You have a lot of opportunities coming up with artificial intelligence listed above. You can parse and see the whole stuff. So, what certification that you can do while doing undergraduate course itself? Coursera AI for Medicine, taught by Andrew, the one and only Andrew, which focuses on medical applications of AI, costs about $50 per month for 3 months, and you require only 4 to 6 hours per week. That is literally less than a hour per week, per day to 1 hour per day. The Coursera Healthcare Data Science by Johns Hopkins University again costs the same thing, but is of 4 month duration, requiring a little bit extra time. Says how R and Python data can be used for medical sets. Then Medical AI Essential by edX is free, and if you require a certificate, you have to shell out about 12 to 15K, which is a very short course, 6 weeks, 3 to 5 hours per week, and covers imaging aspect. Remember, this is a specialty course. Again, another course by Harvard is for radiology. If you are interested in text, natural language processing, mind you, these are specialty certificates. But this certificates is less, comes with 3 to 5K as fees, 4 weeks, and electronic health record data analysis using clinical natural language processing, which will fetch you an immediate job in the post-intern period itself. If you are interested in surgical specialties, Expo Surgical Robotics and AI, offered by the Imperial College London, costing $50 per month, 6 weeks course where you are exposed to Da Vinci robotics. If you are interested in upskilling, learn Python from Data Camp for as low as 2,000 rupees per month in 4 weeks. Okay. And TensorFlow will cost you 2K one time, 3 months. And medical computer vision fast AI is a self-paced course which is free and only for segment building or image or preparing the images from your CT, MRI clinics for the AI processing. So if you do this, what will be your career roles and future salary outlook? A medical AI researcher in India will fetch anything between 8 to 12 lakhs per annum at a global salary of up to median salary of about 1000 K, $100,000. And top employees are the IBM, Watson Health, NVIDIA. Clinical data scientist will fetch you about in the same range. And a local players also in India, Apollo hospitals and other big hospitals chains are taking a big interest in this field. A product manager may fetch you a little bit more and by MNCs. Telemedicine AI developer, all for all these roles, the salary is from about 10 to 12 lakhs per annum, starting with a 1 lakh salary, which is literally unheard of for a intern. And mind you, this is only a start you can develop. So for having this, start with small. Complete your Udemy or Skillshare courses, 4 to 8 weeks courses. Use your breaks. Dedicate holidays for intensive courses or reserve the holidays for intensive courses. Try to do freelance projects, especially one that is integrated with your curriculum, with your STS or your conference courses. You can do that and probably help your fellow students in the process earn money also. Avoid rigid deadlines or expensive certification till foundation skills are built. Post EG, what to do? In India, if you are in, can try about IIT Hyderabad, where it offers healthcare AI PG diploma, or IIT Madras that offers BS in data science, both in a hybrid mode, especially integrated with your other regular courses. Southeast Asia, NUS, University of Malaya has AI in healthcare certificates and degrees. In the West, Stanford AI in healthcare, MIT machine learning, they are the courses. To be inspired, follow Andrew, Eric Topol, Google Health itself, or Harini Iyer, and Medical Futurist. They are the pioneers who are selflessly working in this field. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. By upskilling now in AI, you are not just securing a job in the immediate internship period, but you are positioning yourself to lead the healthcare innovation in AI in future. Happy learning and stay connected in this channel till you get to meet me in the next week.